We are at the train show. I could take some videos and photos of it. So here we go. This is, I believe, the Benton County. I'll correct it if I'm wrong. So yeah. Well, so far nothing yet, but hopefully we could still find something. There's a layout over there. There's some random little items everywhere, so just keep looking. So yeah. A Lego train layout. That's what this is. Really, really cool. Wow. Little in-scale train. It's for sale. It's a layout. Really cool. Little. That's cool. Really cool layout. Really big layout. Rock Island. Really cool. Really cool layout. Wow. That's cool. Some really cool dioramas. I think that's what they're called. I'm not sure. I'm pretty dumb, so. Looks really good though. Either way. Good job to whoever did it. Really good. Really like that one right there. So we just left. I got the haul out in a car, in one of my dad's car. And we're in McDonald's right now, so gonna get some food. So hopefully it will be pretty good. But yeah, we'll see you when I get home. Well, we're back from our trip. This is the haul we got. So yeah, this is a hand-painted saw blade. This is really cool. Oh yeah, by the way, let me take the sticker off that we got. There we go. That's it right there. So really cool. But yeah, I got a bunch of locomotives here. These will be put on a video. These two will be in all-in-one video. I believe these two will be, and this will be in one video itself. But they're all basically CSX related, but this one at the very bottom isn't. It's a really cool one, this bottom. Well, actually, probably these two are the coolest, but anyways, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, which will probably be about these two locomotives. And then the next one will be about this one, and then probably this one. Let me know if I should do more content like this, because I really enjoyed this. And yeah, thank y'all for watching, and hopefully by the end of summer, I'll be going to the one in Conway. So yeah, thank you for watching, and take care, you guys. I think there's gonna be some photos coming up. So anyways, bye guys.